Why a plastic oil pan? I don't know. Now remember, guys, when you're dealing with oil leaks, you want to go to its highest source. Look what got approved. They said my parts is down here. Yeah, let's go over this real quick. Yep, it's still plastic, guys. And ta-da, guess what, guys? We're done. Boy, that was fast. Yes, guys, got 5 hours for this. Okay, yeah. Drop the cradle to get the oil pan out. This is plastic oil pan we spoke about earlier. This is the new one, okay? No, they didn't redesign it, guys. It's still plastic. Is it a better plastic? Is it a, revised plastic? It's not Derman. It's not aluminum. Guys, let me say this. Let me stop clowning around. If you're a real good mechanic, okay, you would look at something. You would just stand here for a good 1 to 2 minutes and just gauge the situation, because I dreaded having to do all of this just to take this out. So if you just stand here and look at something real good with your hand on your chin in thinking mode, you're going to come up with a way to figure out how to do something that's going to benefit you. Here's where I'm going with this. I didn't drop the cradle. Okay, now I was so excited. I didn't think to whip out my camera and show what I did. I was able to, guys, you got to figure out a way to separate the engine from the frame, from the body. Okay, if you can jack the engine up off of the frame, you can get this freaking oil pan out. All right, so now, like I said, it would be reckless for me to have filmed it, so I didn't anyway. But man, guys, critical thinking can take you a long ways. It can get you a long way. It can get you far in life. Just analyze. Look. I can do it. It's got to be an easier way. I don't want to drop all this shit. I don't want to take all this out. Okay, but I'm a mechanic. I signed up for this. This is my job. So if I had to, or if I couldn't figure out a way, I would have simply did what I had to do. But I had a helper, and I didn't want him getting tied up. Apprentice. I didn't want him getting tied up with all this. So I was over here the majority of the time he was doing it. Okay, now couple of things. He forgot to put the dipstick back in there. Little nagging stuff, guys, I can deal with. All right, if you show you don't care, you screw up and you don't care, then we got a problem. So he felt bad. He forgot to put the dipstick back in the hole. It was something else, but it's not worth discussing. I'm not here to badge anybody. Y'all notice y'all don't know any of my apprentices, right? That's done on purpose. Okay, I'm never the one to criticize somebody knowingly or them knowing. I mean, when I say cousin Pookie, I could be talking about anybody. All right. When I say apprentice, I've been working with at least 5. You don't know which one, and that's a good thing. I want to keep it like that. But back to this oil pan again. Why? I don't freaking know. Why was it leaking? I don't know. I don't care. Yeah, all of this had oil on it. Yeah, they didn't redesign it like I thought. I thought when I opened this box, it was gonna be an aluminum oil pan, a Derman oil pan, but it wasn't. Mopar, baby, Mopar rules. I much rather have a freaking Mopar, and that's what I got. So yeah, but it's in. So I didn't have to drop. Yeah, that was too much work. We had to drop all of this out. We found a way to get it in, and we got this mug in, and that's that. All right, I gotta go.